Seeing Arafat in a dream. Arafat in dream. If one sees himself standing in prayers in the plain of Arafat during the pilgrimage season on the 9th day of the Arabic month of Zul-Hiijah, it means the return of a long-awaited traveler to his home, a happy reunion, a family reunion, reconciliation between friends or peace between two individuals. Seeing Mount Arafat or the plain of Arafat in a dream also could represent the pilgrimage season, or performing a pilgrimage, visiting Mecca on Umrah, see Umrah. Or it could mean the Friday congregational prayers, the 6th day of the week, a marketplace, or engaging in a profitable business. Seeing oneself standing at Arafat in a dream also means rising in station, changing conditions, reversal of one's state from good to bad, or from bad to good, or perhaps it could mean death of a beloved such as one's wife, or it could mean relocating to a blessed place or finding a sanctuary. Seeing oneself at Arafat in a dream also could mean losing a battle tone's adversary, though the results or consequences of such a battle will bring him honor and exalted station, or it could mean winning the battle against one's enemy. If a sinner sees himself praying and repenting at Mount Arafat, or near the Mount of Mercy in the plain of Arafat in a dream, it means that his repentance will be accepted, or that a secret will be exposed, or it could mean that a reunion of beloveds will take place shortly after one's dream. If one sees himself standing in Arafat during the nighttime in a dream, it means that his goals will be attained and that he will satisfy his quest. If one sees himself standing in Arafat after the sunrise, it means that his question will find no answer.